Hello guys, today I've got the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I am going to show you why your device may keep disconnecting from your phone. So actually the main reason may be your phone. So try to connect your earbuds to the different device, like for example your mother's phone, your dad's phone, to a laptop, everywhere. Try any device, but it can't be your phone. It can be this phone. It can be, for example, this phone. Then, if it works on the other phone and it feels like it's not dropping connection, it feels smooth, your phone, your private device, is the issue, not your headphones. You're going to try to fix your phone. So try to maybe restart it, maybe unpair and pair device back again, and then try again. If it doesn't work still on the other phone, the issue may be your earbuds. So at first try to charge them up to 100%, and if these are charged up to 100%, you can try to use them back again. If the connection is still dropping, you need to do a factory reset. How to do a factory reset? Hold this button over here for 15 seconds till you see this light go red. That should be it for this video. Let me know if I helped you. Goodbye.